Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have all new TVS Apache RR-310 with us, the flagship motorcycle from TVS Motor Company. Now let's keep going, let's check the engine. This machine is equipped with 6-speed gearbox which produces 34 PS power at 9007 RPM. And as compared to BS4, BS6's complaint is a bit refined and no vibrations. Even on this bumpy road, it's fun to drive. Easy to handle. The throttle response is aggressive. As it is causing dual channel ABS, the braking is crisp and accurate. This new machine has got a colorful TFT and some good techy part. Let's check this out. This is all the techy stuff you have seen. Now let's check the machine on higher revs. Throttle response is really very insane. I forgot to tell you, this has got ride-by-wire technology. Now let's get right into traffic and check the handling of this machine. This isn't that hard to ride in traffic as it's got GTT technology, that means glide through traffic. By TVS Motor Company, which is first in segment feature for urban riding. Let me briefly explain you about GTT. In this, the vehicle starts moving with slow release of clutch lever without using a throttle. It is indeed a convenient feature while riding in heavy traffic. is recorded data. We have been riding it with average speed 55 km per hour and a top speed 162 km per hour. And this is the mileage we got, 36 km per liter.